So it is the 19th of May 2025, and I just want to show you MA Momentum Scalper. Today's results. You can see this is our live account. We're trading the DAX using our optimization, and to be honest, it didn't start off too well. We did have some trades open from Friday. There were two losses from Friday anyway, and then we had more losses. Then we had a string of wins, more losses, and then in the afternoon we got this big move here, which took us back past zero and onto profit. So we were only $50 up, which a little bit disappointing, but yeah, we are going high risk, and it did manage to get the profits back. And if you look closely enough, you'll see that we have now some US 500 trades. I'm going to talk about that in a second. We do have some trades which are still open. So DAX again has opened a whole bunch of trades here with a target. You can see just there, it's the red line. I think it's going to hit. I can't close these trades at the moment because the market's closed, but if you look at that, you see hopefully it'll hit, and it'll take us into a decent profit. So closed profits is 50, and we have an outstanding $82 in profit. And now I want to talk about the new optimization for US 500, which we've been testing and now trading live in this account. As you can see, it's the optimization. So you can see we're using 100% real ticks. We've taken $1,000 and it's made a profit of $45,000. So almost a 45-fold on this account. And at the same time, we've had a maximal drawdown there in terms of the balance, maximal of 8.41, and an equity drawdown at 24%. So I appreciate this is high risk. 24% may sound like a lot to some people, and it is because, you know, we are going high risk. But if you're considering it is making a 40-fold on the initial 1,000, that is pretty good, I would say. You see there's generally wins and losses, equal number of shorts and long trades, both have a 90% win rate, and we have a 6.38 profit factor, which is pretty high. You see trades between the open around 14 and 15 here, a bit small. So it doesn't trade for all the hours, but it trades when mostly in the US market open hours. Every day you can see that. We start off in August, run that to March. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 months of back tests. And you know, it is high risk, so I do recommend that if you are using this, you do take out any profits that you make. And if you want access to this, if you are a premium member, you'll see that I've got a link to this product. It does have a price here, but if you remember, it doesn't cost you anything. You can download this right now and use it. But it is tested on the PlexiTrade broker, specifically on the PlexiTrade micro account, which allows you to trade 0.01 lot size on smaller accounts. So if you do want to scale, you can scale, but I recommend for every $200 you go 0.01 and take out profits whenever you make some, because it will blow up your account at some point. Just be really careful, take out all the profits, just like we have with the DAX optimization, and that's working out pretty well. So we've been running the new US 500 optimization on a demo account since the 8th of May, and just left it running to see what happens. And you can see that it's done really, really well on 0.1 lot, so the smallest lot size as well. And yes, there are some losses, but the losses seem to be a lot smaller, and we've managed to make $420 on this account, hence the reason for installing this in our live portfolio.